it's your girl Quoia Renae, and I'm back with another video. So I know a couple of you have been inquiring about the update for my Kendrasboutique hair that I have installed in. So a month ago I received some Kendrasboutique hair, and I did an unboxing video already on my channel. So go check that out so you can see the lens, the price that I paid for the hair, the initial look of the hair outside of the packaging, and what else did I go over in my unboxing? The cards and the way that you should take care of the hair is in that video. Well, no, I didn't put that in the video. I'm just saying stuff. Okay, listen, go look at that video. You'll see what was in that video. So this is the 1 month update of this video, y'all. So I've had my sew-in in for about a month and a couple days now. When I went in to dye this hair, I did a video also on how I dyed this hair jet black, so be sure to check that video out. Go check out the video of how I dyed my hair jet black. Go check out the video of how I first not installed, but how I styled my hair when I first did my sewing, and also go check out the unboxing. When I first dyed this hair, this is 4 bundles in my head now, and it took the dye beautifully. It's jet black, as you all can see. Also, the curl pattern was still there. It still was wavy. If you see in that video, the wave pattern was still there. I have it in the texture body wave, but I've been putting so much heat in my hair now, the wave pattern is gone. So if you're interested in getting body wave and you're looking for your wave pattern to stay, if you're going to be putting a lot of heat on your hair, whether it be curling or straightening your hair like I do, then your wave pattern is not going to stay. Your weave is just like your hair pretty much. So if you're putting a lot of heat on it, it's just going to make your curls flat like your real hair. So I would suggest going for a looser, but I would suggest going for a tighter curl if you're going to purchase hair from Kendrasboutique. I'm not going to go into the details about pricing and all that stuff because all of that was in the initial unboxing video. So please make sure that you watch that video and you'll get all the details of that. I'm gonna have a lot of editing to do in this video because I just keep pausing trying to check these curls, honey. Okay, so like I said, if you're looking for a tighter curl, then I suggest getting deep wave. Actually, guys, after I probably straightened my hair 2 times, and then the curl pattern was just like, bye bitch. Like it was gone after like 2 times of straightening it. And I didn't mind that because I know that I'm going to be straightening my hair a lot anyways. But the reason that I got body wave was just so it can hold the curl better. But it really doesn't matter whether you get the straight texture or the body wave texture. I feel like when you know how to do some good curls, it should hold if it's some good quality hair. This hair holds curls good. It holds crimps good. You all be sure to check out my crimping video too. This hair holds a crimp well. When I straighten my hair, it stays straight for days, and it's like buttery soft. The ends, y'all, the ends are still beautiful, y'all. Look at these ends, y'all. Yes, Kendra, girl. Get it, girl. Get it. Kendra did her thing with the ends. Okay, the ends are good. I really am digging the ends. My hair doesn't get frizzy or anything. It doesn't get tangled. It's really soft. It's really bouncy. I love the curls when I curl my hair. However, y'all, the downside about this hair is that I've experienced quite a bit of shedding with this hair. Almost like every time I run my hands through it, I'm getting a couple strands, a few strands sometimes, like, and that's like, I don't know what's the issue about that, but I've experienced quite a bit of shedding. I know that all hair sheds, but when it begins to be shedding every time you go in with a comb, or every time you go in with your brush and it's just like chunks and chunks of hair every time, you know, somebody want to run their hands through your hair, because sometimes you be at work or whatever, then your coworkers just want to do like this, and then they got a clump of your hair in their hand because your hair shedding so bad. You don't want that, okay? Now I ain't ever experienced that. They probably done had a strand or two. Yeah, a strand or two, but not a clump, you know. But you don't want hair that sheds really bad. I have never sealed my wefts because I feel like if it's some good hair, you shouldn't have to seal your wefts. But I'm actually considering sealing my wefts, and maybe that could stop some of the shedding. I also went in with my deep conditioning mask from Silicone Mix, and I put that in my hair once I washed my hair, and that also helped with a little bit of the shedding. It still sheds, but it doesn't shed as much as it was when I first in the beginning of my install. What else can I say about this hair? So the maintenance for this hair, it really doesn't require like a lot of maintenance, especially if you're wrapping your hair up at night. You should be fine. That is if you have the straight textured or the body wave texture. It depends on however you wrap your hair. If you wrap your hair up at night, your hair should be fine with the maintenance. This hair does not require a lot of maintenance. I always like to go in with a little bit of the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum, just so it can add some more shine and the softness and luster of this hair. So this hair doesn't require a lot of maintenance. It's really soft. When you curl your hair, your curls aren't crunchy, and it's still, you know, cute or whatever. And I like for my hair, when I straighten my hair, for it to be protected throughout from humidity and from when you're outside or if it rains. Of course, I feel like every hair kind of gets a little bit of some frizziness when you go out, and if you don't put like a little bit of a serum on it, I feel like all hair gonna get a little bit of some frizziness. But this was very low frizziness, like it didn't get a lot of frizziness at all. So another thing that I wanted to add too about the dyeing process of this hair, or any hair for that matter, be mindful of the type of dyes that you use, because for my first 3 bundles I used the dye by Just 5, and then for my other bundle, because I ran out of the Just 5 dye, I used some other black dye from a different brand that actually is a good decent brand to me, but it made that bundle kind of look dry, and it kind of made that bundle shed too, because when I went in to wash those 3 bundles that I used the Just 5 hair dye with, it didn't get any shedding during the washing and rinsing process, no shedding at all. But once I used the other dye from the other brand, my hair was shedding, not a lot, but I was getting a few strands when I was combing through my hair. So I'm not gonna keep you all long, you know. I'm not gonna keep you all long. Moral of the story, is the hair good? On a scale of 1 to 10, I rate this hair a 9. A 9. And the reason that it doesn't get the 10 is of course because of the shedding. Like if it didn't shed really, you know, this would be a perfect 10 in my book. But I think a 9 is pretty good. I really do like this hair. I've ordered from them before, but I had not ordered in a while, simply because I don't know, I probably was going through some financial struggles. But I would definitely recommend this hair, y'all. This video is not sponsored. As you all can see, I only have, you know, about 1,000 subscribers, which I'm thankful for. Thank you all for subscribing, but I don't have enough subscribers for her to even be like, yeah, let me sponsor you so you can say that this is some bomb hair. No, like, she don't know nothing about me. She don't know Quoia Renae. Only y'all do who watching. And a few of you new viewers. You new viewers, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Again, yes, I would recommend this hair. I love it, y'all. I really do like this hair. But let's see how it does during the second install, because I'm definitely going to try to put some blonde streaks in it. I want to try a frontal and a closure, something like that, because I don't want to keep putting heat on my hair. I know you all probably be like, dang, she used a lot of heat in her videos. That's my business. No, I definitely want to try frontals and closures, and I'm definitely probably going to purchase from her. Again, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And before you all go, I just want you all to just get into these bundles one more time, honey. And this again, y'all, this is the body wave texture. This is the body wave texture, honey, and I'm loving it. I won't probably get body wave again. If I ever get her hair, I'll probably get straight or deep wave, and not because I just didn't like body wave, but I just felt like it was kind of like pointless of having it to me, because if I never wear my hair in its natural state. When it's in body wave, I never wear my hair in its natural state. I'm always straightening it, or if I wanted to have some type of wave pattern, I just get a hot tool. I just get a curling iron or my wave crimping iron, and I just create some waves if I want my hair like that. So I would not purchase the body wave. That's if you want to purchase the body wave, do your thing, girl, but I won't. So anyways, y'all, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, guys, I have a brow tutorial on my channel, so if y'all are feeling these brows, honey, go look at that brow tutorial. Go check out another video. I love you all so much, and peace. See, I can't even say peace properly, like, dang, bruh. And then it won't even go in the wall. Y'all, this is the struggle. Like, oh my God, it ain't even cutting on. What the hell? All right, there we go, honey. We back in, y'all. Bye, y'all. Why the hell do I got this? Oh, I got this in my hand, y'all, because look at this right here. My eyes keep tearing up, y'all. I did my makeup just for this video, honey. I'm finna wipe all this stuff off and put my bun back on and go to sleep. Bye, y'all.